Cooking up the grains. Lots of butter.
What do we got going over here?
Some bok choy. Oh gosh. Some bok choy with some salmon. Oh yeah. It's gonna be unique.
Came back in this week when we have steak and sweet potatoes loaded, salad beans, and then for catfish night.
Oh yeah. Catfish fry. Famous.
We're gonna try to find some hush puppies.
Oh. We got our salmon. That's about to get cold if we don't eat it.
That's the finished product right there.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? What are we doing now?
Ready for practice. Yup.
That's right. Here we are again.
Yup.
Cooking madness.
Yup. Making up the catfish.
Right here. That's how we roll, catfish style.
Yup. Got the sweet potato fries too.
Yeah, the sweet potato fries are coming along just fine, right? You're in charge of that. Got some steamed broccoli right here. There we are. We're gonna get down on the. Was the red light on?
Yeah.
When you just said that?
It's on right now too.
What are we doing tonight?
Gonna have tuna tacos.
Yeah, we're doing these ice-seared tacos, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's looking good.
Cabbage I put in there, all of it.
Mm-hmm.
And half of the cilantro.
Yep.
And half of the scallions.
No. Add half of the scallions and the cilantro. Half of both of those. And then.
Mix it all up.
Mm-hmm. Then we put the lemon vinaigrette in there.
You just kind of mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
It's my boy, Chef Ben Davis, right there. Rocky.
With the spice mix. Is this the only other mix I can slice them up?
How you like that tortilla? You like that?
That should be enough for you, right?
Yeah, totally.
Got 2 in each one.
Right on, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are again, Highlands Ranch High School. Falcons, dropping off Ben.
Going to school.
It's Thursday, right?
Yep, Thursday. No, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
All right. Well, enjoy your class, and I'll be back at 2:40 to pick you up.
All right, sounds good. Bye, Dad.
We are back in the kitchen again. Final cook night, I suppose. Got pork chops going right here. Sauteed mushrooms, some steamed broccoli back there, and the wicked, legendary sweet potatoes loaded.
Soda.
What we got?
Just eating some dinner here.
Here we are with Ben and Sasha.
Yep.
Got the sweet potatoes, pork chops, and all it's going down right now. You're here at Highlands Ranch.
Feast up.